Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most attractive, stylish metalworks. Beautiful designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most trendy, most attractive, beautiful metalworks. Those who love such type of metalworking, best top designer ideas you can see. You can easily make these very beautiful projects at home easily if you know woodworking or metalworking. Stylish decor ideas, home decor ideas, indoor and outdoor decor ideas you can see in this my video. Beautiful metal projects, useful projects for you. Best trendy designing ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. For pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way, you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive stylish metalworking? If you want to buy these very beautiful projects, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. Share my video and give your feedback in the comment section about my collection. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about home decor. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.